Today let's go through some percentage tricks. That is how to find percentage of some numbers. Okay, so let's see. First we are going to discuss 11 percentage, 21 percentage, 31, 41 percentages, etc. of a number. That is, if you are having a number, you have to find the 11 percentage of that number, 21 percentage, 31, 41 and so on. Normally what we do, if we want to find percentage of a number, suppose the number is y, okay, and you have to find 11 percentage of y. So what you do, y into 11 by 100. This is what normally we do. We have to do lot of calculations for getting the answer. Here's the shortcut for you. 11 is 10 plus 1. That means 10 percentage of the number plus 1 percentage of the number. So that is 11 percentage. Okay, 10 plus 1. So here, example, 11 percentage of 35. So before that, what is 10 percentage of a number? Suppose the number is 258. Okay, this is the basic thing. Suppose the number is 258. So 10 percentage of 258 is 10 percentage is 25.8. Okay, 10 percentage is 25.8. And 1 percentage of that number is 2.58. That is 1 into, the number into 1 by 100, right? So number into 1 by 100 means this is 258 into 1 by 100. So 2.58. That's it. Okay. Just take the 2 digits from the right hand side and then put point. Okay, 2.58. Okay. That is, if you're having the number, 10 percentage of the number means before the unit portion put the decimal. Okay. And 1 percentage means before the tens you put the point. Now 11 percentage of 35 is 10 percentage of 35 plus 1 percentage of 35. So 10 percentage of 35 is 3.5 plus 1 percentage of 35 is 0.35. Add them, you will get 11 percentage of 35. Very simple. Okay. Or else you have to do, sit and do the calculation and all. Here 11 is 10 plus 1. 10 percentage plus 1 percentage. 10 percentage of the number is very simple to find. Put the decimal here, and for 1 percentage put the decimal here. Enough. And add both. Okay. Another example, 21 percentage of a number. 21 means 20 plus 1. Okay. So 20. What is 20? 2 into 10. Right? 2 into 10 is 20. So we know the shortcut to find the value of 10 percentage of a number. Into 2, you will get 20 percentage and then 1 percentage. Okay. So here's an example, 21 percentage of 80. So 20 percentage of 80 plus 1 percentage of 80. 20 means 2 into 10 percentage of 80 plus 1 percentage of 80. So 2 into 10 percentage of 80 is 8.0. So 8. 1 percentage of 80 is 0.8. Okay. Multiply. Add them, you will get 16.8. Next is 91 percentage of a number. That is 90 percentage of the number plus 1 percentage of the number. 90 means 9 into 10. Okay. So 91 percentage of 1400. 90 percentage of 1400 plus 1 percentage of 1400. 90 percentage means 9 into 10 percentage. So 10 percentage of 1400 is 140. 9 into 140 plus 1 percentage of 1400 is 14. Okay, add both, you will get this value. Now let's see how to find 12%, 22, 32, 42 and so on of a number. 12% of 40 of the number. 12 means 10 plus 2. Okay, that is 10% plus 2%. So 2% means 2 into 1%, right? So 10% plus 2 into 1%, that is 12%. Here 12% of 40. So 10% of the number plus 2% of the number. So 2% means 2 into 1%. Okay, 2 into 1%. So we know 2 into 1% of 40 is 0.4. 10% of 40 is 4. Multiply, add both. You will get the answer. Okay. Next is 32% of 90. So 90 is the number. 32 means 30 plus 2. 30 means 10% into 3. Okay. 2% means 2 into 1%. So 10% of 90 is 9 multiplied by 3 and then 2 into 1% of 90, that is 0.9. Okay, and you'll get the answer. That is 32 means 30 plus 2. 30 means 10 into 3. 2 means 1 into 2. Okay. So 1% into 2 makes 2%, and then 3 into 10% makes 30. So 30 plus 2. Now 92% of 2400. 92 means 90 plus 2. 90% means 10% into 9. 2% means 1% into 2. Okay. So 10% of 2400 is 240 into 9 and 2 into 1% of 2400, that is 24, and you will get the answer. Okay. Now 13, 23, 33, 43 and so on percentages of the number. Same way, example 63% of 1200. 63 means 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3. Okay, what is 60? 10 into 6. What is 3? 3 into 1. So 60% of 1200 plus 3% of 1200. 60 means 6 into 10% of 1200 plus 3 means 3 into 1% of 1200. So 10% of 1200 is 120 into 6 and 1% of 1200 is 12 into 3. So that's it. So this is a simple way for finding the percentages of a number. Next is 14%, 24, 34 of a number. So let's see the example. 54% of 160. 54 means 50 plus 4. That is 54. What is 50? 5 into 10. What is 4? 1 into 4. Okay. So 50% of 160 plus 40% of 160. 50 means 5 into 10% of 160 plus 4 means 4 into 1% of 160. The basic thing we need to know is how to find 10% of the number and how to find 1% of the number. That we know. So 5 into 10 percentage of 160 is 16, and 4 into 1 percentage of 160 is 1.6. Multiply and add, you will get the answer. Now, how to find 15, 25, 35, 45 percentages of the number. For this, 15 percentage of 60. What is 15? 10 percentage plus 5 percentage. Okay. So 10 percentage of the number plus half of this number. Half of 10 percentage is 5 percentage. Okay. Answer is 9. Or else you can do like how we have done in the previous example. 15 percentage is 10 plus 5 percentage. So 10 percentage of 60 plus 5 into 1 percentage. That way also you can do, but this is another simple method. That is, find the 10 percentage of the number and then find the half of it. You will get 5 percentage. Okay. The previous way also will work over here. Next is 35 percentage of 600. That means 30 plus 5. 30 percentage of 600 plus 5 percentage of 600. See here the normal method I have used. 3 into 10 percentage, that is 30, and then instead of 1 percentage into 5, here we have written directly the 5 percentage. Okay. So 3 into 10 percentage. 10 percentage is 60. Half of 60 is 30. Very simple. Okay. So 3 into 60 plus 30. That is 35 means 30 into 5. 30 means 3 into 10. Half of 10 is 5. Okay. So 10 percentage you have to find first, and then half of 10 percentage you will get 5 percentage. Okay. Here is one more example. 85 percentage of 1600. 85 means 80 plus 5. 80 means 8 into 10. Anyway, you will get the 10 percentage, 160. So, 5 is half of 10 percentage. 5 percentage is half of 10 percentage, right? So, half of 160, that is 80. Very simple. Next is 16, 26, 36, 46 and so on percentages of the number. 16 percentage of 30. You can do 10 plus 6 percentage. Same way how we have discussed in the previous portions. 10 plus 6 percentage. So 10 percentage plus 6 into 1 percentage, and you will get the answer. One more method, 15 plus 1 percentage. 16 means 15 plus 1. What is 15? 10 plus 5 and then 1. Okay. We know how to find the 10 percentage. Half of 10 percentage of the number is 5 percentage, and then we know how to find the 1 percentage. So you will get answer. So this method you can follow, or this method you can follow. No issue. Next is 16 percentage of 2480. 16 means 15 plus 1. 15 means 10 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. 10 percentage of 2480 is 248, and 5 percentage is half of 248, and that is 124, and then 1 percentage of 2480 is 24.8. So you will get the answer. Next is 17, 27, 37, 47 and so on percentages of the number. Example, 57 percentage of 300. So 57 is 50 plus 7. 50 is 5 into 10. 7 is 7 into 1. Okay. So 10 percentage of 300 is 30 and 1 percentage of 300 is 3. So we'll get the answer. Same way for 27, 37, 47, 97 and so on. Next is 18, 28, 38, 48 and so on percentages of the number. Example, 58 percentage of 160. 58 means 50 plus 8. 50 means 5 into 10. 8 is 8 into 1. Okay. So 10 percentage of 160 is 16. 1 percentage of 160 is 1.6. 16 into 5 and 1.6 into 8. You will get the answer. Add both. Next is 19, 29, 39, 49 and so on of a number. Next is 9 percentage of 80. 9 is 9 into 1. 1 percentage is 0.8. Okay. So 9 into 0.8 is 7.2. Another method, 9 is 10 minus 1. So 10 percentage minus 1 percentage. 10 percentage of 80 is 8 and 1 percentage of 80 is 0.8. Add both, we'll get 7.2. One more example, 19 percentage into 110. 19 means 10 plus 9. 10 percentage of 110 is 11 and 9 percentage means 9 into 1 percentage. 1 percentage of 110 is 1.1 into 9 plus 11. You will get 20.9. Or you can go with 20 minus 1 is 19. So find 20 percentage. 20 is 2 into 10 and 1 you can find. So 10 percentage of 110 is 11. 2 into 11 minus 1 percentage of 110, that is 1.1. Subtract both. You will get the answer. One more example, 49 percentage of 220. 49 is 50 minus 1. 50 is 5 into 10. Okay. And then subtract, you will get the answer. So to find the percentage of a number is very easy. Only thing we have to know how to find 10 percentage of the number and how to find 1 percentage of the number. So if the number is 123, 10 percentage is 12.3 and 1 percentage is 1.23. So this is the basic thing behind percentage. And then see here 50 percentage. So 5 into 10 percentage. So 10 percentage we know. Find the 10 percentage of the number and then multiply by 5. Okay. And then 1 percentage we know 1.23. And then here subtraction, or else based on this. If addition means go for addition. If subtraction means go for subtraction. That's it. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.